gonna go to Start, go to My Computer, go to your C drive, gonna scroll down and go to POS Pictures folder, open it up, and here you're gonna open up the main menu pics folder. Any pictures you wanna use for the main menu buttons, you're gonna wanna save them right over here in this specific folder. Once you're done with that, you're gonna exit out. Then you're gonna open up the SelloRama app. Gonna log in. And then we're gonna go to Office, Data Entry, Products, Department, and click on Create Main Buttons on Screen. Give it a minute to load. Right over here you can see all the pictures that are saved in that file. From this you can select the picture you want to use for the main menu button. Then you can input the button text. Then you can select the button base color if needed, but since we're using a picture we don't need to select one. This will only apply to ones without any pictures. Then select the font size, and if you want the font to be bold or not, check that box. Select the font color. There's many of options right here depending on which color you want to use on each different button you're creating. I think I'm just going to stick with black. And then you could do your text alignment however way you want it on the button. I'm just going to keep my bottom and centered because I think I could read it more properly right over there. There's plenty of options. Now you're going to hit save. The button's going to be created into the database. Click on OK. Now if you want to reorder the main menu buttons, you can click there. Since we only have one right now, you can't really reorder anything. But here you can input the new panel number next to the buttons whenever needed. Suppose we want to make a new button. I want to click on one of the images and then also input the button text if you want. I'm doing fruits. Same thing, font size if you want it bold. I'm just going to keep it the same. Gonna hit save. And now you could click on reorder main menu buttons, and here you can see there's a panel number, and now you can input the new panel number right over here. I don't have panel number 2, but you would have to add a new panel in once the buttons are created. That's where panels will pop up. I'm just going to create another one just to show you as an example. The list can just go down on the same panel, and that's the order it will pop up in on your main screen. This is just to show you an idea on how to do each and every new button that you're creating on the main menu screen. It popped up right over there. Could also adjust the sizes of the box if needed be. If you can't read something, if it's too small, you could adjust the sizes right over here too. If you also need to edit the buttons you already have, you could do so by clicking on them. Like suppose you have something and you don't have an image for it, then this is where I was saying you can choose a base color for the button and it will pop up right like this. And the button will be added into the system like that, as you can see right over there. And that's how you create main menu buttons.